So sometimes when we do an average, if we do the mean, which is where we add up all the numbers and divide it by how many there are, if we have a really, really large number or a really, really small number as an outlier, it can really throw the data. So, we think about that if there's 10 people and one person's earning $5 million and everyone else is earning $50,000, and we go 5 million plus 950,000, it's going to make it look like we're all earning so much more. So you often then use the median, which is the number that falls in the middle. So let's look at how we can do that. So again, Excel can do it for us. We go equals median, nice and simple. We open up that bracket, and so this time I want to find the median number of books read, because if I've got someone that's read heaps of books, they might throw my kind of understanding of the statistics here. So median, I open up the bracket and we are going to, that's in column C, and we're looking at cells C2 down to C9. So the first cell I put in is C2. Oops, I've had the shift key held down there. C2 and then colon. So from C2 going to C9. So the last one I want to look at is C9. Then I close my bracket there. And it says that the median is 6.5. So what that would have done is it would have put them in the order of 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10, 11, 12, and then found what was the middle of that. And obviously the middle was between 8 and 5, so it was 6.5. Now, again, I could kind of eyeball that because there's only 9 rows here. So where this becomes really powerful is when we're looking at a much bigger data set. So let's have a look at exactly the same thing. The books read, the median number of books read equals median. And so I'm looking at C2, the first cell. And remember, we've got 101 rows. So I know straight away that I'm staying in column C. Row 101 is the last row, and you can see that has been highlighted all the way down there. Then I close my bracket and we find that the median is now 7. So the median number of books read is 7. Do we have any really big outliers? I think the largest is 15 that I've seen there. So that is the median.